Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm doing an emergency kit. I know how much you guys love my emergency kit videos, so finally here is an updated one. So first let's start with the kit or the pouch that I'm using. So a few days back I had mentioned about this green pouch that I was ordering from Smytten trial points, and we all could have the same pouch. So earlier I was using this gray color, which is the same exact pouch, only the color is different. So yeah, today I'll be putting all of those things back in the green pouch so that we all could be having this one. All of these pouches are from Smytten. I feel it's so affordable because in that 200 rupees you get trial points, like the trial products as well as the pouches, and this pink clear pouch is from Sugar Cosmetics. So I'm just showing you that in case you have such kind of pouches, you can use that as well. Just something that is more flexible and compact so that you can store as much as essential products in them. So these are my pouch recommendations. In case you want to get the Smytten pouch, I'll link it down below. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started with our essentials, or the things that I feel should be in the emergency kit. So we'll go through them one by one. So before that, I just want to clarify the doubt about the pepper spray. So I feel instead of keeping the pepper spray inside a pouch inside your main bag, it's better to keep it literally on top of your bag, or maybe hanging it in your main handbag instead of keeping it in the emergency kit, because you never know what the situation is and you really don't want to open your emergency kit and then take out the pepper spray. So just a suggestion from my side, but if you want to still keep it inside your emergency kit, you can, and I'll link all of these products in the description box below. So the first thing that I have here is a Pee Safe Cramp Roll-On. You guys know I've been using this since a really long time. It's great for your period cramps. At the same time, if you have headache or something, you can still use it. So link will be in the description. Next is the toilet sanitizer. Very important. This one is something that I've been using since a really long time. No matter wherever you go, please use the toilet sanitizer. Next is just a pen. This one is the Cello Pop gel pen. Very nominal, very easy to find, and just a pen is essential to keep in case you have to write or sign something. Then I have this very tiny hair serum. This is from the L'Oreal, and this is so compact, and if you are someone with very long hair like me, please keep a hair serum. But again, this hair serum is optional. You can or you cannot keep. Next is very important. It's a utility kit. It has safety pin, it has a needle, it has some threads and buttons. I actually got it from a hotel room, but this is very important, or you can just keep safety pins, up to you. Next thing that I have is a lotion. It's like a tiny body butter just to keep your hands moisturized, because we've been using sanitizers relentlessly. But again, this is optional, not mandatory. Then I feel everybody should have is a sunscreen. This one is from the Bio UV. Actually, my favorite sunscreen is the LiQWYD. I'll show you just now this one, but I got the very big size of it. You can get the small size, but please keep a sunscreen and use it like every 3 to 4 hours. Next is everybody's favorite lip balm. I actually got this one new. This is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. Very self-explanatory. We all girls love lip balms. Next are hair ties. This time I actually got these spiral ones, spring ones. I lose them like, I don't know, lose them very easily. Next are sanitizers. Now if you have watched my what's in my bag video, you guys know I always have like a big bottle of sanitizer. So in my emergency kit, I carry these pouches. They are very affordable and they also save space. So yeah, anyway, I'm already carrying a sanitizer. So next is a handkerchief. This one is a normal cotton handkerchief. You can also carry tissues or individual tissues, but if you want to be a little more eco-friendly, then carry handkerchiefs because they are reusable. So yeah, you can carry any of them. Next, perfumes. Again, optional, but something that I love. I love smelling good. So I have these two of the perfumes. Both of them are proper perfumes and not like deodorants. But these are a little expensive. I think these are for 500-600 rupees, but you can get those 90 and 50 rupees affordable perfume, pocket perfumes, and keep it. If you're someone who really likes to keep yourself fresh and likes to smell good, then do keep perfume. Next are band-aids. I mean, I'm so flimsy, I keep on getting cuts and blisters, so this is very essential. And the pack that I had got, like full pack, I hardly have 4 left now, so you guys know. Next are panty liners. Again, a must have. I always keep 2 or 3 of them in my bag, even in my emergency kit. Like I keep it at both the places because they're very convenient. Next thing I feel everyone should have, these are intimate wipes. These are from the brand Sanitizers. I'll link it down below. They come in a pack of 10. They are so useful. After you're done peeing or maybe you're on your periods, you can just use this wipes down there and they'll refresh you. Highly recommend you guys. Please buy them. Next is just a little cash in case you run out of cash or you don't have like online payment is not working. So I have like 100 to 100 rupees kept. You can keep as much as you want, even like 500 or 1000. Next is an optional. This one is an eyeliner. If you are someone who really likes to keep yourself put together, who likes to do their touch-ups, then you can keep like a few itsy bitsy makeup products in your emergency kit, but it's completely optional. It's not mandatory. Next is something that I wish I started keeping it earlier. This is an extra charging cord. It recently happened with me. I went shopping with my sister and my phone died because I was vlogging and I couldn't use it till 9 until I reached home at night, 9 p.m. So I've realized to keep an extra cord because the charger plug though anybody will have it. Next are pads, very self-explanatory. I have the Pharmacy sensitive one. Highly recommend these pads. They come with a disposable bag, but still I recommend you guys to carry like these black disposable bags. You can find it in like pack of 10 and 20. I'll link them below. They are so useful. Never dispose your pads like this. Please put it properly in these bags and then dispose it because there are people who pick up these garbage. Next is a Fevikwik. Oh my god, please keep this in your emergency kit. There are so many times, you know, when your sandal breaks or something breaks and you need like a quick fix, Fevikwik is the best way to go. I feel more than Fevicol, Fevikwik is more versatile because you can, you know, glue a lot of different things together. So keep like this small 5 rupees wali Fevikwik. Next is a hair comb. Again, जो मैंने hotel से लिया है. So hair comb is very essential. A tiny hair comb would do the job, especially if you have very long hair like me or you just like to comb your hair, and combing your hair is a good thing. So yeah, keep a hair comb. Next is optional, some few meds. This is paracetamol. Now, if you are someone who has a lot of prescription medication, I request you all to keep like an extra strip of your medicine in your emergency kit. In case you go out somewhere and you've forgotten to take your tablets or you stay over at someone's place. So just in case. Next is extra house key. This is very important. Many times you forget or you misplace your key. So you always have one sitting in your emergency kit. Now the next thing is so useful. This one is for only 5 rupees. This is a blade. It's from Natraj and it's basically, it comes in this very cute packaging. So once you open it, it becomes like a blade cum knife. So useful if you're traveling also. It's very useful. It's good for your safety. It's good in case you want a knife and you don't have it, like to cut a fruit or something. And it's just good in general, and सिर्फ 5 रुपए का है. Highly recommend you all to get it. I cannot find it online. I think you just have to go to your local stationery store and show them this like Natraj ki blade. There are so many different colors also you can get them. Highly recommend to get it. Lastly is this. Now this, I don't know what you can call, maybe like a utility keychain. This was actually given to me from from my family. So it's basically something that has like a filer, a tweezer and a nail cutter. It's great. You can, you know, even hook it into your emergency kit or hook it into your back chain or keep it inside your emergency kit. I cannot find it online, but I know that in America and all you get these really cool utility keychains. I don't know if you can find it over here or not. And the last one for this current pandemic situation is an extra mask, because कभी कभी हम भूल जाते हैं और फिर कोई हमें पकड़ लेता है और फाइन ले लेता है. So it's better to keep an extra mask. So basically these are all the essentials that I keep in my emergency kit. You can add some and you can remove some. You can completely customize it according to you. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you guys liked it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video.